Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. I've just done a trip to Mum and Dad's to get more stuff for the garage. That didn't work. Dog's trying to get out. So I'm just going to bring the Skyline in here again, start unloading, and I'll show you what I brought over. If you like what you see, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Help us get to 1,000 so I can give back to you guys. Alrighty guys, just brought the Skyline in. Probably get the Forester going again. But if you like B35s, G35s and Foresters, hit the like button. Alrighty guys, first up, I'm going to go watch some YouTube. I'm going to watch Life Palace, see what's going on with Daily Driven Exotics. All the moulds and the pieces for the fog light covers on the SDR Forester bumper. Some random bolts, most of them out of the VQ35 that was in the Skyline when I got it. Right, hose fittings and screws. Some GoPro stuff. Brush. I need some gloves on for this. Pretty dirty. Original turbo manifold for Foz. The other side, the crossover. The wax I use for the release and wastegate. The weigh wheels and the bit for my angle grinder that I completely forgot about. Wheel spaces for the Foz. Exhaust tips that used to be on the Foz when I had quad, but these might go back on with the next version of the Forester. Got some hardware that I use when I put the molds together to produce a piece, just to bolt them together. Clamp. Alrighty, what do we have in here? What's this? Ooh, air stapler. When I was doing sub boxes a bit. Quickly gun. Harrods tin. air drill. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, air drill. Detailing pads. Just random stuff. That later. A converter. I actually used this at one of my old jobs. I made a sound system for the shop and a sub, a couple of speakers and a radio going off that. Actually had it in a bin upside down. The bottom section of the STI bumper that I took off to have the scavenger pump low mounted and the turbo low mounted. Some eyelets off the back of Patrol, I think, or a Land Cruiser. They were given to me when I was at Toyota Nissan. It was leftover stock and I just stuck them out. So I grabbed them for no reason. Alrighty guys, hopefully the audio is okay on this video. I'm trying something a little different. This part I've got the cover on with a little stand that mounts to the tripod. When I started off I didn't have the cover on at all, I was just holding it. So I'm just testing out what audio is the best. Hopefully it's not all scratchy. Alrighty guys, probably be heading to Melbourne Cars and Coffee this Saturday, which will be tomorrow. Might head over there with mate. He has the Joker-mobile. You've probably seen it getting around. Might have seen some memes already on the internet. I've seen a few, but yeah, might be rolling up in that. So if you want to come out, check it out, have a chat to me, more than welcome to. I should be there. He did say he's interested in going, so yeah, I'll head over there on Saturday. It's a lunchtime one, so 12 to 2. Hopefully the weather's good. So yeah, check us out if you want. I'll probably do a video of it like I did last time. Yeah, arm's going all funny. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. I'll catch you next episode. Bye.